Upscaling an image from this to this. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upscale image for free. Alright, so the tool we are going to use today is called Avide. Okay, alright, so I'm going to leave the link in the description below. You can click on the link. Then once you're on this page, all you want to do is choose a photo you want to upscale. Right, so I'm going to choose a photo. All right, there we are. So right here we can see it says magnification 2xd. This is the highest. So for you to be able to use this highest, you have to upgrade your account. But to use a free one, you can use this HD, use this 4x HD. So as we can see, this is our image, and if we look at it very well, it's been scaled up a little bit. So let's try 4x HD and see what we have. All right, so let's check it. As we can see, our image has been upscaled like very well, right? So as you can see, okay, so it says right here, after saving, the image has no watermark, so you can save or you can input new image, whatever suits you. Okay, so I'm gonna save this image. All right, my image has been downloaded. So this is the easiest way to upscale an image with AI. So if this video helps you out and you gain something, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.